Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, today in this video we are going to understand how to create multiple drop down lists. And we already know how to create a basic drop down list, right? But now in this video we are going to understand how to create a drop down list which is dependent on another drop down list. It's called as actually a dependent drop down list. So here if I select a country as India, it should give the total list of the India states, and if I select the country as China, it should give the total of the cities or provinces of the China. If I select the country as USA, it should give the total list of states of USA, right? So you do one thing for this actually we should give all these cells should have a name range of India. You may see there all these cells have a name range of India, all these cells have a name range of China, all these cells have a name range of USA. Just only to show you, before I already done the same, before showing you I already done the same. So it is already named to India, all these cells are already named to China, but once again I'm just repeating you to show you. So you do one thing, simply select the total. See here, including the top header, you need to select the first range, press Ctrl and hold down, select the second country and the range, select third country and the range as well, select the fourth country and the range as well. And to give the names, simply go to formulas tab, and there you might see there is an option called as name manager, and we are going to create the names from the selection. The shortcut key is that Ctrl Shift F3, and here we are going to give a name to this range which is top row. That means all this range will have a name of top row, that means India. All this name will have a name as top row, that means India. All this range will have a name as USA. So simply click on OK. That means we are giving a name to this range as top row. What is the top row here? USA. So here all this range will have a name of USA, right? So now we are going to create the first basic drop down list, that is a country. So equals to you don't need equal, so directly just select the cell and go to data tab and then click on data validation. We are allowing a list, and the list, click on the list selector, select the list and again close the list, click on OK. So here you can see the list of countries, that okay, India and China and here USA. And next here I selected USA, so here I would like to get automatically the total states of USA. So here simply again go to the select the cell first and go to data validation, and there we are going to allow a list, but here we are not going to select the list manually, right? See here, we are going to select a name. So you do not select this range manually, you just select the range of here USA. If you want to select the name of USA, automatically system fetch the data of USA, because already all these cells have a name of USA. Is it clear? That's it. So here equals to give a formula, indirect is a formula which calls a name to the name range. That's it. Indirect, open bracket, select here USA. It doesn't mean we are not selecting USA, we are selecting USA name range. That's it. Then close the bracket and just come down and click on OK. So here I'm getting the total list of USA. Here if I change the name as India, automatically the formula will update it in the backend. Automatically system will display the total list of states from India. If I select here France, system is going to display the list of provinces that belongs to France. And if I select China, the system will display the list of provinces that belongs to China. Those are all Hong Kong. You might see here Hong Kong, Macau, Beijing, right? So when you are really working in real time, you do one thing, you just create all this data in next sheet, right? You just create all the data in any blank sheet, then you just create your form in sheet number 2. Once a form is created, all the drop down list are created, you simply select sheet 2, then hide them, so nobody cannot erase the data. Because if, for example, if mistakenly if I see here which is selected here, I'm selecting here as India, here I selected the as Rajasthan. If you remove Rajasthan from the list, in the future it will be very difficult to find out Rajasthan from the list. So you don't do that while you are creating. See, only just to make you understand, I'm just creating everything in a single sheet. But when you are really working in a company, or when you are really understanding MS report, you never create name ranges and the form in same sheet. You always use another sheets. Once the work is done, you just hide them. Yes, and to get them back, right click, unhide, select the sheet, and okay, automatically you can get back the same. So this is how we create multiple drop down lists. And if you want to remove them, simply select the cell, go to data validation, in the place of list select any value, okay, again select the cell, go to data validation, one minute, data validation, and select as any value, then click on okay. This is how we remove and we enable the multiple drop down. It is also known as dependent drop down list. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.